All right, let's talk about something that's stirring up a lot of conversation, an agreement between the IRS and Immigration and Custom Enforcement, ICE, that could have big implications for some taxpayers. The IRS recently announced that it will start sharing certain tax-related data with ICE, which is raising a lot of questions, especially among undocumented immigrants and others concerned with privacy. Historically, the IRS has focused on tax compliance and hasn't been directly involved in immigration enforcement. This agreement could blur those lines, making some people uneasy about filing their taxes. For many, this raises concerns about whether filing taxes could increase the risk of deportation. The IRS encourages everyone, regardless of immigration status, to file taxes, and many undocumented workers even receive an individual tax identification number so they can pay taxes. The big question is, will ICE use this tax data for enforcement purposes? While details are still emerging, advocacy groups worry that tax records could be used to track undocumented workers. Others argue this partnership is aimed at stopping tax fraud and criminal activity, not targeting law-abiding taxpayers. The IRS has been under pressure to crack down on fraud and tax evasion, and government agencies sometimes share data to improve enforcement. Some officials say this will help identify tax scams, shell companies, and illegal financial activities, not everyday taxpayers. But opponents argue it could discourage undocumented workers from filing taxes, pushing them further into the shadows. If you're worried about how this agreement might affect you, consider consulting a tax professional or immigration attorney for guidance. Taxpayer rights groups are also keeping a close eye on this issue, so staying informed is key. At the end of the day, tax filing is supposed to be about financial responsibility, not fear. The IRS and ICE will likely have to clarify exactly how this data sharing agreement will be implemented. Until then, many taxpayers, especially in immigrant communities, will be watching closely. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.